All right, so we are on our we are still on our project, and all this while I have not saved anything, and it's really don't follow this. Okay, it's really a bad thing to do. The first thing to do is to save your project, and then you move on. Anytime you make changes, you save. Anytime you make changes, so I'm going to save my project right now. Go to File. It's first time, so I go to Save As. You save it where you want to, where you can remember, wherever you want to add it to. Okay, and we can just move on like that. So I'm saving it anywhere that I can remember. I have my work here, so I'm going to say education UI. So I'll just put them right here. So I have saved it. The name is going to change from title 1 to the name I gave it, that is education UI. All right, that one, right? Leave the computer to take care of it. I'm done with that. I have saved it. So let's move on. Yeah, education UI right here. Let's move on to the prototyping. All right, where we're going to set the whole thing. Right. So prototyping. Where are we starting from? We are starting from this side, and when it opens up, it's moved on to here. It's going to be 5 seconds. Okay, push left. That's good. Our last thing we did. And here on the next button, when we click on the next button, it should take us to this side. All right, when we click on skip, then it should take us towards login. Okay, when we click on skip, it should take us to this side. Okay, so that we can either click on login or so connect to this screen. That is good. So let's see, when we click on this, what are we seeing? It's a tab. Yes. Welcome screen 2, push left. Good. 4 seconds is in. You can change it to whatever you want to. All right, so you go to next. If we come and click on next here, it should go here. If we click on skip, it should still go to this side, right? Yeah, we didn't know that, right? Probably not a problem. Maybe skip to this. Probably, yeah. Okay, so if we click on back, it should take us to this side. All right, so that is it. When we click on the login here, automatically this place, and then sign up, then it moves on to this side. If don't have an account here, if we have already have an account, sign in. When we are done logging in, it should take us to what? The interest. When you are done logging in, it should take us to the interest to select where we what we want to learn. Sign up as well is going to take us to this side. When we say forgot password, it's going to take us to this side, and when we submit, enter email, submit, and then it's going to take us to this side. After we submit, then we have a success, and when we cancel it, it means we are going to log in back. Okay, and when it is successful, here we're going to use what? Time. Okay, we're going to use time to connect to this, so we're going to use time. Good, it's already there. All right, when it's successful, there was nothing on it, so 5 seconds, right? So that is what we have. Let's go and start it, and let's see. Okay, so I will start my app right here. Let's see how we interact. Welcome to maybe Code Hub app or something, right? So what do you want to become? I want to go to next. Okay, it shows me next. Learn the basics of going back. We are still using the left, but we could come back to push to the right. Now we are going back. Okay, so go next. You should get it from the back. Okay, when we skip, it takes us to either login or sign up. We will log in, takes us here. We don't have an account, so we go back. So it should say sign up. We already have an account, so we go sign in. Yeah, you should also get that from the right side. So we log in, select your thing. That is the last page we're going to work on. That's the last thing, right? But maybe from this side, from that side, yeah, I forgot my password. So I clicked on to select it. I forgot my password. So it takes me reset your password. I enter my email and then I click on submit. Here it says change your password. My confirm and pass submit. And here password change successful, and within 5 seconds it takes me to so that is it. That is a beautiful wireframe prototyping we've done right on our artboard. So let's go and reset the things that we want to. So when we come to back, it should take us here. So it's going to push to the right. That's good. Yeah, that looks good, right? On the login, no matter of the login, when we log in, it takes us here. That's good. Create account, it takes us there. Sign in here. This is also going to be from the right. Good. When we are done with this blah blah blah, back is going to be push right. That is it. We've done that one. Okay, so let's test and see how it all comes to play once again. So we have, just like to put it here, app name here, next, click on next, takes me to this. I click on next, takes me to login. I want to log in. Oh, I forgot my password. Yeah, it takes me here. Let me cancel it. It takes me to login. Canceling, takes me to login. Should take it from the back, right? Yeah. So I have this. Okay, now I want to, good, that is it. So just have to create account, sign in, takes me back. All right, create account, sign, login, and I'm here. That's good, man. We had done that for, so maybe you forgot a password. So let me start from there. I forgot my password. I cancel it. It should take me to login. So here on the cancel, is going to take me here, but it's going to be push to right. So this is what we have. Our beautiful UI is set here. We are done with this first stage. All right, this is just wireframing, and we did a whole prototyping on it to show to our our client that is how it's going to be. Now we can add some animation story, but not now. Let's see that one in the next video.